ship. Starboard is that way. Anybody know what side this is? You got it. This is port side. Guess what down here? Not any further than this. Right here is the bow. Bow of the ship. And back there, no further than the rocks, is the stern. Discovery 1. The audience is going to clap with how well you do following directions. So, you have to make sure you're careful with each other, but if I yell starboard, that means go that way. If I yell port, it means go this way. When they are finished, you are going to see how well they did. Are you ready? They have to act like pirates. On your marks. Everybody, port! Main stage! Follow directions well. Turn! Starboard!
Thank you, Ms. Carroll, for being an outstanding volunteer. Congratulations to